How much money do you need to retire for good? Everyone has its number, but we can all agree that a few $1 million are enough for almost anyone to live the rest of his or her life. And I guess you have heard about penny stocks. But you know when you are trading, you have a 90% chance to lose, which leaves a 10% to people who will win. This is because it's so risky, yet huge profit will gain if you win. But how to quickly be a millionaire trading penny stocks? Before we get into it, do me a favor and smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications whenever a new video is published. Get to know more about penny stocks. Penny, or internationally Penny Market, is a discount supermarket chain based in Germany, which operates 3,550 stores. Lieband Gruppe established its market in 1973. The Roux Group has currently owned it since 1989. Penny stocks are common shares in small public corporations with a market value of less than $5 per share. While some penny stocks are traded on major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, the majority are traded over the counter via the electronic OTC bulletin board or the privately held OTC Markets Group. Penny Stocks is the top online resource for anything related to micro-cap stocks. You can find a comprehensive list of penny stocks on pennystocks.com, as well as learn about the best penny stocks to buy, top penny stocks news, and the micro-cap stock stories. And 2021 is shaping up to be a good year for penny stocks. But can you make money on penny stocks? The short answer is yes, but it's important to note that trading penny stocks isn't the same as trading regular stocks. So before you start investing in penny stocks, you'll need to know all the ins and outs before you dive in. How to become one of the few miners. It is not some get-rich-quick scheme. It is not some easy thing that's going to happen. You're going to have to work harder and grind harder and study harder than you ever thought possible. There will be some ups and downs and failures along the way. You're bound to make some mistakes. You might even lose all of your money along the way. Guess what? Timber Tawney started out with $1,500. He promptly lost that $1,500. He learned the rules about cutting losses and risk management, but still, he had to re-put in another $1,500. So I encourage you to start small, because no matter what you do in the beginning, you will probably lose some or all, because it is hard. Learning the best process and having the right mindset, perspective, and persistence are crucial to making millions over time. The majority of traders will never get there and will end up as losers. This is because the majority of traders lack the necessary patience. Even if you have a good plan, it will not get you there. It will stop you working after 1, 2, or 3 years. So you're going to have to keep adapting. So keep in mind that this is a bit of a moving goal situation. You'll never be able to feel at ease in the stock market. So as an investor, it's best if you're still adapting. What causes them to become millionaires? Because they're constantly adapting. They're always looking for new strategies and new patterns. You have to look for events and opportunities. And when these opportunities pop up, you can make 1,000. When there are no opportunities, don't trade. Because sometimes the best trade is no trading. It is a big problem for a lot of people. Everyone says, oh, I want to make $1 million. But how long will it take? Yes, I agree. It'll take a long time to achieve. But you'll need some downtime as well. There will be days when there are no trades available at all. There will be times when you will be working in a company. It will be the best if you had done all the research and tested all of the materials. You may have had the best sector on the planet, and yet lose money for whatever reason. You may be wrong. Unlucky things do occur. Losses can discourage a lot of people. They say, no, I'm done with this. This game is too hard. You can never give up, okay? No matter how badly you want to. You have to understand that. The most challenging time to start is in the beginning, but once you start learning the rules, patterns, strategies, discipline, it gets easier. There is no easy way to get millions of dollars very quickly. Most traders will never become millionaires. Mostly, millionaires have one thing in common. They have studied their trading. They are meticulous when it comes to learning. That is the only thing I've found that works very well. Studying the past is the key to your future. I know it's a cliche. I know it's corny to say, but it's true. If you want to be a millionaire, you must first expand your knowledge bank account. Then, boost your financial resources. You have 2 different accounts. The majority of people are unaware of this. They say, oh, I'm just trying to increase my financial budget. There are many ways to rate your account unfavorably. That's going to cost you a lot of money. It's going to hurt your chances of becoming a millionaire later on. Strategies. Like Warren Buffett, it is going to take you several decades to become a millionaire. You can buy a titanium hip by the time that you can spend the money. I'm talking about how do you become a millionaire within a few years? You need to test, think, study, and adapt. I know that this is not what you want to hear. I know this isn't a positive message for many people, but that's what it is. You can make money when stocks go down, so keep your eyes open to all potential strategies and figure out what works best for you. You have to find what works for your personality, strengths, weaknesses, schedule, and time zone. Mark Croock just passed $1 million. He has over 500 video lessons for trading challenge students. Micheal Goode, a millionaire, has over 100 webinars available for trading challenge students. Tim Grittani now passed $6 million. He has over 50 archived webinars. Watch and study them all. You have to get inside the minds of these great traders who pretty much all started on just a few $1,000s. Tim Burton started with $1,500. As I said, he lost $1,500, but now he's over $6 million. Not just from one strategy, he was trading OTCs for a while. They all dried up. He was forced to do Nasdaqs. He adapted. Using all of these video lessons and DVDs and webinars, I can speed up your education, and we can speed up your potential to becoming a millionaire. Of course, you are not guaranteed to become a millionaire. You're not guaranteed to be profitable. All I can guarantee is that I will teach you everything that I know and the knowledge that I've learned and that I've grasped. You have to figure out what works for you. What strategies are you best at? You're dip buying. Maybe it's breakout buying. Perhaps it's short selling. It doesn't matter. Try them all and see what feels best. See what is most comfortable with you. And don't be afraid to adapt. You had to adapt because in the market crash, there were no more breakouts. So that's the journey ahead of you. And it's not just about making $1 million and hot stock picks. It's adapting. You are about to get on this journey that will be endless, grueling, and frustrating. The process of becoming a millionaire is not fun, but once you are a millionaire, you don't have to work for people once you have that freedom. You can choose to go wherever, whenever you want. You have that freedom. And it's not necessarily just $1 million. You know, $1 million doesn't buy what it used to. So get to a point where you're self-sufficient. That's what matters most. If you're lazy, ignore this. We're just not going to get along. You're probably going to give up after a few months anyway, because that's who you are. But if you're willing to take the journey, if you're ready to struggle initially and learn from your mistakes, you know what not to do. So, after several years, you've learned a lot of stuff from your losses. You can never be perfect in this game. All you can do is get experience. And then, the experience gives you better odds of success on every trade. Outro. 90% of traders lose because of random chance. And it's because that 90% give up too soon. The 10% who make it is because they don't give up and keep trying and finding strategy until they find one that works. You only need one pattern, one system that you can repeat over and over and over again. So I was hoping you could utilize the resources that I've talked about and have patience. And the vital lesson is to value time. They became millionaires by appreciating the value of their time. The majority of people never become rich because they do not value their time. Take that into consideration. So, let me ask you this question. How soon can you become a millionaire? Do you want to make it quick, or do you want to make it slow? Do you even have time to make it slow? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Before leaving, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on our future content. With that being said, see you in the next one.